The main reason why aircraft cabin lights are turned off during takeoff and landing is for safety purposes. Here are a few specific reasons. Emergency preparedness. In the event of an emergency during takeoff or landing, it is crucial for passengers' eyes to be accustomed to the natural light conditions outside the aircraft. If the cabin lights are on, it can take longer for passengers' eyes to adjust to the darkness outside, which can impede their ability to react quickly and efficiently in case of an evacuation. Vision and visibility. Turning off the cabin lights helps passengers and crew members maintain their night vision. In low light situations, such as during takeoff or landing at night or in poor visibility conditions, the eyes need to adapt to the external environment. Bright cabin lights can cause temporary blindness or make it more difficult to see objects outside the aircraft. Evacuation procedures. In the unlikely event of an emergency evacuation, it is essential for passengers to quickly locate and follow illuminated escape path markings and emergency exit signs. Keeping the cabin lights dimmed or turned off helps these important markings and signs stand out, making them more visible and easier to follow. Monitoring outside conditions. During takeoff and landing, the flight crew needs to closely monitor the aircraft's surroundings, including the runway, lights, and other aircraft. Dimming or turning off the cabin lights reduces the interior glare and reflections on the cockpit windows, allowing the flight crew to have a clear view of the outside conditions. While the cabin lights are typically dimmed or turned off during takeoff and landing, aircraft are equipped with emergency lighting systems that activate automatically in the event of a power failure or other emergencies. These emergency lights are designed to provide sufficient illumination to safely evacuate the aircraft if needed.